Not one lousy sandwich. Nicholas, right?
Yes, ma'am. And do you want? Do you know what Thor's favorite word from my vocabulary is? It starts with followed by a tab, and ends with a K.
What are you doing, idiot?
Now you can call that a taxi.
No taxi is picking me up. You sound like mother.
Noah! Noah!
हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मेरे साथ है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भूमि।
Hello everyone, I'm Anushka's best friend and I'll be accompanying her throughout the podcast.
So today we're going to talk about the two Spanish movies, that is My Fault and Your Fault, that stars Nico Waltz and Gabriel Guevara as Nick and Noah. So Bhumi, how did you first see both these movies for the first time?
To start off with, I did not watch Your Fault and I don't think I will because I know the story now. Also, I don't find the story interesting enough to watch it. So, My Fault, I was going through YouTube Shorts and I saw a clip of My Fault. To be specific, their first me, and it caught my attention. So I was like, let's watch it. So I watched it.
So how did you then recommend these movies to me?
Anushka, she shared mixed videos with me. I generally asked her whether she watched the movie or not, and she was like, "No, but I'm kind of interested." I suggested that she should definitely watch it if she wants to explore something other than Bollywood, and she was like, "Okay,
Exactly.
let's do it."
Exactly. I sent those two YouTube shorts to her, and then she immediately recommended these movies to me. Which language did you prefer to watch this movie in?
Um, I watched the film in English, but for some scenes I switched to Spanish because I wanted to hear their real voice. Yes.
Okay. So I watched the movie mostly in Hindi. And for some scenes I switched to English. Would you like to recommend any movie which is very similar to the storyline of My Fault to our audience?
Movie similar to My Fault is My Fault London because of its characters, storyline. They're kind of similar to My Fault. My Fault London's visual, sounds, acting, all together was captivating. I enjoyed it, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. And if you're into fiction, just like me, that movie is a must see. So do watch it.
Okay, thank you for the recommendation, Bhumi. Now let's start going into the favorite scenes in this movie. So, would you like to tell what are the scenes that you like the most in My Fault?
My favorite scenes would be one would be their first meet. The dog makes the scene much more interesting.
Okay.
All-time favorite. Another scene would be, Noah, her driving the first, her
Yes,
driving the
yes,
car
yes.
first time in front of Nick.
Yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
girl, that scene was exceptional. Those two are
Yeah.
my favorite scenes. What are yours?
Okay. For me, my favorite scenes would be again like you when Nick and Noah meet for the first time and they dislike each other at first time. And then the second one, which I like the most, is at the party scene when Noah drinks this very spiked Coca-Cola cold drink, and then when Nick tells her that this guy is drugging all the girls' drinks and he's trying to make them sick. So when Noah realizes that, oh shit, I have drunk this, and then she starts getting fainted because of the effect of the drugs. And now Nick, as a good boy, he's taking Noah to the house. And when she tripped in the stairs while entering to her room, so Nick just lifted her like that. So it just gave me a glimpse of how Amir Khan lifted Kajol in the movie Fana. So that was really nice. It was really romantic and it was really beautifully done by both these actors. And the third most favorite scene, which I like the most, was so when Noah comes to find her blazer in the wardrobe, and this Anna, who is Nick's girlfriend in the movie, she locks her inside the cupboard as a prank, and Noah is really terrified, and she starts getting panic attacks of her childhood traumatic things, whatever happened to her. So I think somehow Nick got to know that Noah is being trapped in the cupboard. So when she opens the door, Nick just takes her and rescues her. So I think that was the most, that was the turning point of My Fault, that okay, both of them will fall in love with each other, breaking the society norms and everything. And still today, I'm really shocked that this movie had the love story of a stepsister and a stepbrother. So yeah, these were my favorite scenes. Um, which movie do you prefer the most? My Fault or Your Fault?
For me, I like My Fault, no doubt. There, everything is like so much better than Your Fault. I think, and not much drama, cheating and stuff. So My Fault it is.
Mm. Yeah, same for me. It's My Fault only because obviously I like the chemistry between both the actors. The scenes were much better, they were more entertaining, and I saw a little bit of action in that. So, in the climax scene, I think you didn't know this. So, you know this movie called War, which had Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff. So, they took that
Uh-huh.
inspiration of that scene and they moved the car in that way so that the police officer could kill her father who kidnapped her in the movie. So that was that thing I noticed. So both of them were seeing war in a particular scene, and then Nick was like, these turns are impossible. Then Noah is very expert in cars because of her father. Her father was a rally race driver. So she tells that it's possible, we need to use the 2060 formula and all of that. So actually they use that 2060 formula in that, and that give that inspiration that yeah, they did it from the war movie. And the way they spoke in their eyes, when they were about to just like crash each other, that was really really powerful. Except the ending, everything was really good in My Fault. Your Fault, it's only the beginning when the characters reunite and they spend time together. And Noah completes high school in that. She was 17 in the first movie when she shifted to the Leicester's house, and now she completed 18. Then she's going to college and she gets a new car. And so yeah, those scenes I like very much. But rest of it was fully, I would say it was trash. It was just trash, and it made me
It
angry
was, it was.
throughout the movie. And obviously the
Same,
ending
I
I didn't
was
like. And
too.
I felt that the parents were, what they were doing, they were only plotting this all the time. So I felt कि ending में कि भाई तुम इतने टाइम से प्लॉट कर रहे थे और अब तुमको रियलाइज हो रहा है कि भाई तुम गिल्टी हो करके. So yeah, I would prefer My Fault. We would like to even talk about some Bollywood references. We would like to share it with you guys. First, for me, it's obviously Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. We know how classic of a movie it is, but you guys would be absolutely shocked that I hated two characters in this movie. First of all, it is got to be Chaudhary Baldev Singh, played by the legendary actor Mr. Amrish Puri, who played Kajol's father in the movie. And then obviously it would be Kuljit Singh, played by Parmeet Sethi, who played Kajol's fiance in the movie. Would you like to give one in Bollywood reference?
I would, it will be Rocky or Rani movie. Yes.
Yeah.
The grandmother and the father of the hero, sorry, but I hate them. Orthodox. Like for
Yeah.
some cases, being orthodox is okay, but do not every minute.
Yeah.
I don't remember their names. Speaking of which, would you like to name them? The antagonist.
Yeah. So it is, for me, it is Jaya Bachchan, who played Dhanlakshmi
For
Randhawa
me
and the
too. I
head of
don't
the
know.
Randhawa family. And then it would be Amir Bashir, who played Tijori Randhawa. So Bhumi, what did you like and dislike about My Fault and Your Fault?
Um, my fault likes would be, of course, my favorite scenes. Dislikes, the ending. For your fault, I don't know. Like I said, I did not watch the movie yet, and I won't.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I know the story, so dislike everything.
Okay, okay. For me, likes in My Fault, obviously, is the chemistry between the actors is really important for a romantic movie, and very entertaining scenes, action scenes, the race scenes, the climax scene, really, really nice nicely done. And Your Fault, it would be more of dislikes. I didn't like it at all, because of the ending. The characters don't trust each other at all. They have kind of trust issues, and they say that okay, we need a breakup and all of that because of the new characters which are being entered in that. So yeah, only likes will be there for My Fault. Dislikes is all there for Your Fault. So I recently just heard that Kupla Nustra, that is Our Fault, the third movie of the series, Kupla series, is going to be released this year. So, Bhumi, what would you expect out of that movie?
I expect obviously a better storyline than Your Fault, more
Yeah.
iconic scenes, and Nick and Noah. An advice I would give: shape up or ship out, please. I
Yes,
just
yes.
want no drama, you know.
Yeah,
Shape
yeah.
it up.
Yeah, that's gross. That's gross. What would I expect out of Our Fault would be the crimes of Annabelle, that was who was Nick's biological mother in the movie, and Briar, who was Noah's college mate, roommate. She shared a room with her. So I want both of their crimes to be exposed in front of the whole Leicester family, and they should be arrested by the police and put in jail. Give them life imprisonment for separating these two people. And I would like to tell Nick and Noah that please, both of you sort out your issues and please have that relationship that we saw in the first movie. Yes, and
We all would want that. Yes.
yeah, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you want to rate My Fault and Your Fault? And you can give me your reasons.
I would rate My Fault a solid 8.8 because
Yeah,
I think I would have preferred another ending.
yeah,
Something
yeah.
similar to My Fault London, yes, of course. Your
Okay.
Fault rating would be 4 or 5.5 because I know the story, but the
Hmm.
storyline and stuff, everything, it wasn't really my cup of tea. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's
Yeah.
good.
Yes, yes. For My Fault, it would be obviously 9 out of 10 because, again, I said chemistry between both the actors, entertaining scenes, good action, and good storyline, except the ending. Ending was gross. I didn't like it. Your Fault would be almost a 3 or a 4 out of 10, except the beginning part till we get to know that Nick and Noah are going to be in a live-in relationship in a house that Nick's grandfather purchased for him. So till there, I liked it, and so yeah, I didn't like the whole movie.
In peace. 8. 8 for My Fault, sorry. 8 for My
Okay,
Fault. Yes,
okay,
8
okay.
for My
That's
Fault,
not an
sorry.
issue. That's not an issue. It's okay. So now, before ending the podcast, Bhumi, would you like to say something?
Of course, my friend Anushka really worked hard on this podcast like every day, and I hope you enjoy it and appreciate her efforts. Yes, do subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah, and before ending this, I would like to thank you so much, Bhumi, for joining this podcast with me. I would have never done this without you. And if you liked the podcast, then do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, do subscribe to my channel, and comment on my videos. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Bye.